Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl luvleeorely here. I realized I didn't have a proper intro or anywhere in this video where I looked good. So I'm sorry if y'all just saw the cake in my mouth. So what was I saying? Yeah, this is a video that we are trying to recreate. We were supposed to do more than one TikTok dance, but then we got sidetracked and we only ended up doing one TikTok dance, and we started doing the other one, but we lost footage of it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's just us learning how to do TikToks. A little disclaimer, this video is not to make fun of anyone at all. We are just doing this for fun. It's just comedy. We do not want to hurt anyone's feelings. So sorry if we did. We just out here trying to make people laugh. Trying to make ourselves laugh. It was just us. It was mostly us having fun, and then I just wanted to like film it because it looks so good. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you guys like this video, comment below what you guys want to see, or if you guys have TikTok so I can follow you guys. And if you guys want us to do more of like TikTok dances. Anywho, bye, and thank you for tuning into my channel. I love you all. Mwah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl luvleeorely here with my friend Miss.
They don't need my full name, sorry.
There you go.
What if they find my phone number and my address?
With her. Today we're gonna learn TikTok dances because I've been watching a lot of TikToks and I'm ready for this step in my life.
We found the perfect one too.
We did. So we're gonna put a video of her dancing now.
Wait.
Renegade,
Go.
renegade.
Go. Got one. Go. Go. Oh, go. Yeah. Go. Go. Go.
She played the turtle in what's it called? What's that movie?
Franklin.
Not Franklin. Those three pets. Those Wonder Pets. Wonder Pets.
Oh, that was her?
Yeah.
Oh,
She's a famous. She's a TV queen. She out here YouTube queen. Now she's a TikTok queen. What can she do? Her hair. This one's not bad though. This one's not bad. It's not bad.
The other one, it looks like she threw it up in the air and then
No, but listen, when she
caught
went
it with her head.
Hey, I ain't dissing the queen out here. Queen, I ain't dissing you. These haters around me trifling. I liked you with your natural hair. She had like her natural hair. She straightened it. It looks so good. Oh wait, guys, make sure you guys subscribe and like and comment this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel because you love the content.
Or don't.
You guys should though. Still. I love it. I love it. I love it.
I'm too lazy for this hair.
Yeah, I feel you. I would.
You cannot doing anything wrong.
Oh, let me explain why I look like a homeless person before my parents. Obviously, they tell me I look homeless. It's because I'm currently doing my hair and I had to take a break to film this video. Commitment. Therefore, you must subscribe.
Rules. You must subscribe.
You must subscribe.
You must subscribe.
You
That
must
reminds
subscribe.
me, your dad bought you shoes so that you wouldn't. You didn't even ask for new shoes.
I asked for new shoes. My dad just went out, bought me shoes. Like, I'm tired of you looking homeless.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
He's hitting it so hard. I don't know if I could do
Let's slow-mo this video. Let's put this video slow-mo.
There you go.
And then, like, tell me if it's... Okay, we need slower. This is how I usually learn dances, too.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, I have to read. Oh, okay. Oh,
Starting
snap.
to get.
Oh, snap.
Okay. Oh my god. What is she doing though? She literally is breaking her back. It's a full.
She's doing move like a snake. Obviously, we can't get it right because we can't move like snakes. Move like a snake?
Move like a snake.
Of course!
Move like a snake, like a snake. Move like a snake, like a snake. Move like a snake.
What edition are you?
I know. Mortal Kombat, man.
She said finish him.
Oh, she's jumping!
She's jumping out. Oh my god.
I think I got it. I like.
That's the part that kills me. Why did she do it?
Why is it so hard?
What's the reason?
It kind of reminds me of African Uncle Still. Still, you can't lie. You only have one of those uncles at the parties.
Listen,
You have one of them uncles at the
if
party.
they're watching this, we're not talking about you, it's somebody else.
It's not here. It's far, far away.
Can't be as bad. I had this one white uncle who used to do the.
Oh.
Oh no, girl! I had this uncle like too. I'm sorry. I know you know who I am. You know me. I'm sorry. I had to put it out there. It's a secret. That's what I know.
Reminds me of my dad. I'm like, the boo does not have his thumbs in his pocket and he's holding.
We can't laugh if you can't tell us the story.
I wish I could tell you, but it's so hard to explain. It's like too lot. He was like doing the hold down. He really.
He was out here.
And then she does the
The
word.
wave, and then she goes, and then she goes, and then she goes, she jumps out like she knew she was taking the crown. We need to take her energy.
And
We need to embody that.
Of course.
Okay, we need a
I
moment.
mean,
A moment of silence right now. I know you're looking
am I
at
supposed
me.
to have my eyes closed?
I don't know, moment of silence usually, I don't know. Do you take a moment of silence with your eye closed?
No, right?
Like when you take a moment of silence, do you usually close your eyes?
Yeah.
You're embodying her, so her, you know, her spirits. Okay guys, so we went up one speed while you guys were gone.
One of your subscribers actually also died. It was me.
Shut up! Stop!
This video killed me. I died.
Yo, why should that be her excuse? I didn't know if she was really dead. She commented in my video like. Hey guys, for people who don't know what's really going on in this video, it's okay. I don't too. It was a wild night. We had a lot of fun, and what my friend is trying to say here, so apparently one of Tila's subscribers died, but then she went on TikTok to say that she wasn't dead. Like the subscriber that died, she said she wasn't dead because Tila apparently made it up. So my friend made a joke about it because we like to throw shade. Okay.
We are sponsored by Jacob's Creek.
Wait. Go.
Renegade, renegade, renegade.
Go. Got one. Go. Go.